Hello everyone, in this video you will learn how can you download WinZip. So for downloading it, click on window key and then search here Chrome and then open it. So now search here WinZip. So here you can see download WinZip for free, click on it. Now click on free download. So here you can see downloading has been started. So just wait. So now double click it. Just wait. It will take a few seconds to launch. Now click on yes if any pop-up shows. Now click on next. Again agree. Now click on next. Now click on agree. Now click on finish. So now press on window key and then search here WinZip. So here you can see WinZip is showing. So it is already launched in background. So here you can see. Now you can start working. Hope this video is helpful for you. If you found this video helpful, please do like, share and subscribe. And thanks for watching.